What happens if I enter the wrong Xbox app 6-digit code?
Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the Xbox app and what happens when you enter the wrong 6-digit code. This can often happen by mistake, and it's important to understand how to rectify the situation. Remember that accuracy matters when it comes to inputting these codes.
Why is the 6-digit code important?
Before we proceed, it's important to understand the importance of this 6-digit code. When you're trying to connect your Xbox app to your console, you'll be asked to input a 6-digit code that appears on your Xbox screen. This code is unique for each connection, and it helps ensure a secure and direct connection between your console and the app.
What happens if I enter the wrong code?
Now, let's address the main question. What happens if you enter the wrong 6-digit code? Simply put, the connection between your app and console won't be established. You'll receive an error message informing you that the code you entered is incorrect.
What should I do if I enter the wrong code?
After receiving the error message, don't panic. The solution is quite simple. You'll just need to go back to your Xbox console and generate a new code. After that, enter this new code into your Xbox app. Make sure you enter it accurately this time to establish the connection. Remember, the codes are time-sensitive, meaning they expire after a short period. Therefore, you should enter the new code as soon as it's generated. That's it, folks. I hope this clarifies what happens when you enter the wrong 6-digit code in the Xbox app. Remember, it's not a big deal if you make a mistake. The system is designed to allow you to easily generate a new code. Happy gaming!